Sontsköyhtiö Lappeenrannan rantapuisto, Rantakatu 18, Lappeenranta, Pikisaari.
The cab is not so bad.
Well, this Rantakatu 6B.
Okay. The cab is not so bad.
Yeah.
It has a plastic over it, so
Yeah.
it can.
It is quite fast.
Oh yeah.
But in 2006, it's 406-014.
Nice clunk.
Yeah.
And the same year I was born.
Yeah.
Not so bad.
So let's take 2 rides.
Okay. Because this is so fast also.
Yeah.
And it has nice sounds. And we don't have anything to do because it's no raining.
Yeah. Thunder is coming also.
Yep.
Nah, it is actually not so fast. It just sounds like.
8 per 630 kilograms.
We need to walk into thunder to the city. It's like 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah. It's
Because
going to be best walk to Kiviharju ever. To my home.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
It's quite noisy actually.
Yeah.
Yep. And no buses.
Yeah.
We hit a daily card, but we don't do anything with it because no buses.
Yeah. But we can go to the station or the travel center with bus with this
Yeah.
Yeah,
Valtti card.
yeah. It's not a real
Yeah,
Valtti
because
card.
it is just a 1-day card,
Yep. I have to
which you can buy it from this town hall or city hall.
Yep.
Anyway, Vinkki shop or something like that.
For real Valtti card is here.
Yeah, it is really good. And it works like most of cities in Finland.
Yeah.
Like almost
That's
every big city.